Hello, welcome back, and we are in Hemsby in Norfolk, and we're going to be showing you around Richardson's holiday camp. This sadly is the old ponting site, and Hemsby itself has undergone some transformations over the last few years to survive. Now, it has got a bad erosion problem on the coastline, but the holiday parks are still thriving. Unfortunately, this one wasn't. So with the perfect location, Richardson's is right on the main drag at Hemsby. Very proud to show off their past, and they're now investing so heavily into their future. It's a great place to spend your holiday with your children. So relax, put your feet up, and let us show you around the place. Welcome to Affordable Holidays.
And just like that, we're back. We have just hot-footed all the way from the south coast where we were at Butlins, which you may or may not have seen in our video, and we have just now ended up at Hemsby for the weekend. So it was a nice little drive. We had loads of traffic, loads of delays, and it took us a grand total of 5.5 hours to get from Butlins to Hemsby in Norfolk. Mrs M is in the house. Say hello, Mrs M.
Hello everyone.
Now we've got a bit of a family thing going on this weekend, but we've hired a caravan here at Hemsby. We are at Richardson's Caravan Park. We've got a little dog with us, and we've gained a dog from our daughter's caravan next door for a couple of hours. And I'm just going to show you around. This is a very small TV. Now the caravan seems...
It's small, isn't it?
It is a very small TV. Magnifying glasses are in the cupboard. Anyway, gas fire. Nice little corner alcove. I do like caravans with this corner alcove.
I've only got one cushion.
What?
I've only got one stool. Footstool.
Only one stool though, Mrs M's complaining.
Well, I just think, as long as I know, I've only got one.
This is all our gear. We kind of moved in basically. This is all our clobber. We're travelling a lot heavy these days with YouTube. Everything, we've got to carry so much gear. It's unbelievable. And we are over in the corner, number 6. Now, what's the total for this, Mrs M? Because Mrs M paid for this. How much was it?
I can't remember now. 200 and... Is it 14?
214?
Yeah.
Well, just
But
yeah.
that's with the dog.
Around 214 quid for, and that included the dog. This is from the Friday to the Monday. Mrs M has shown us what we've got. We've got a toaster. We've got a microwave. Got a cupboard with some plates, cutleries, nice and some plates, glasses, cups, egg cups. Ooh.
And I've got the dog
Not
stuff
like that.
in
Be
there,
sink here under the sink. You get a lot of dog stuff. We got under there.
That's what I was. And you've got your
Usual frying pans, that sort of thing. Kitchen sink, kettle. Into there.
Oh, that's got.
We brought our teas from home. This is all stuff that we've put in. And there's your
forks.
nice fork spoons underneath there. I presume that is, yes, your other utilities things. Now we've got a...
The oven's like.
Oh, see the oven's anything good?
Grill's alright, yep.
What's it like underneath?
It's all quite clean.
It's really clean, actually.
It's a bit like us, we don't...
Yeah, we know what it is, isn't
We
it?
know what it is,
So, and came with a bottle of complimentary gin. No, I'm lying.
No, it didn't.
I'm lying. There's the boiler. Lovely. Right, we have in our fridge our bits and bobs. We've got a freezer underneath, sort of half and half. Well, I don't think the fridge is that cold as yet. Well, now it's been on about an hour, but it doesn't seem to be that warm. Anyway, fire blanket, fire extinguisher, Mrs M's cardi, moving along.
Oh,
We've got bedroom 2, which God, it's warm in here, isn't it? Bedroom 2, which is 2 single beds. Now, after being at Butlins for 4 nights, I bet I'm not looking forward to that at all. I'll tell you, if I was sleeping on that. But we do have a double bed. Let me go. That's it. I'll go this way. We do have a double bed, which are going to be lovely after being on them singles at Butlins for 4 nights.
And they've left us one towel.
And they left us one towel, one complimentary towel.
Oh, it's a bath. It's a bath mat.
So we have no towel. Good job we brought our own, isn't it, really? Good job we brought our own.
They left us a bath mat.
Yes. So, on my lap. This is all our bits and bobs up here, don't worry about that. And we've got some wardrobe space.
In the bathroom,
Yep, wardrobe. And this side. Yep, pretty much the same. Spare pillow, I think there's a spare duvet, one of the 2. It's very warm in here, isn't it? It is very warm. No, the caravan generally is quite clean. There's a few stains on the carpet.
Yeah, carpet's
And we do have a bit of a rusty old radiator.
Have you done the bath?
No, I'm now going in the bathroom. Don't panic.
The bath mat in here.
Rusty old radiator.
I stuck the bath mat over top the shower.
Can I go in yet?
Yeah, go on then.
You come out. There's not room for me and you in this hallway, you know that. Right, we've got a nice little shower. These are all sort of contained units, these showers. It runs alright. We haven't tried it yet, but it looks alright, so we will give it a try out. Any problems, I'll let you know. A bit of wear and tear on your mirrors to be expected, but generally overall not bad. Not bad at all. Heated towel rail, few bits above there are ours. Anyway, right, we don't know what we're doing as yet, do we? We might be going out tonight, we might not. We are extremely tired.
A nice bin, nice big bin.
Are you finished?
Yeah, go on then.
We're extremely tired. But if we don't... Pardon? There's always one. If we don't go out tonight, we will be going out tomorrow evening, but we will do some stuff. We're going to film around Hemsby. We're going to put the drone up. We're going to get some lovely drone footage of the place. And we are going to have a good old mooch around, aren't we, Mrs. M?
Yeah.
Hemsby's not too close. Actually, while we're actually on the subject, this park has got a bit of a meaning for us, hasn't it? Because we actually had our wedding reception here, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
20 years ago, which ought to have been released by now. Yeah, we had our wedding reception here, so this camp has got a bit of a nice place in our hearts, doesn't it, Mrs. M? She can really ignore me, don't give a shit. 20 years, you don't care. Yeah, so it'd be nice to have a bit of a nostalgia trip while we're here, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yes? That says it all. Anyway, so the divorce court, right? We'll catch up with you all later on. So, we might be out tonight, we might not, we don't know, we ain't got a clue, but we will be in divorce court come Monday morning. Traditional selfie chair. This is all nicely done. Giant bucket and spade. And the big Richardson's logo across the front there. It's really nicely done. This is showing you what chalets used to be like. When you used to come on holiday. Probably going back from the 40s and 50s upwards. I don't know if you can see anything in there, but that's pretty much all you was going to get for your money when you come up here from elsewhere in England. You got a bit of history from the Richardsons here, going through the years. Getting right up to the current date. Got your hire shop here. You can get your mini golf, your sky tights, climbing wall, hire bikes, go-karts, bowls, waterboards, everything you need for your holiday, you get it from here. Play part for the kids. It's nice to see that safety flooring down as well. Yeah, nice touch. It's been done very well, very well. And over in the background, I'll show you in a minute, that's where the old swimming pool used to be, the outdoor pool. There's the activities tent. I think this is where they do stuff like the archery. I think it's going to be shut. Yeah, the archery was shut. Anyway, this is the Bowls and Crazy Golf. And as I said, that used to be the old swimming pool over there, which is now a bowling green. All done very, very well. Yeah, they plug quite a bit of money into this, that's for certain. Now, as for prices and stuff like that for the activities, you'd have to check on that. They do vary from year to year. So we're only here to show you what's available to you. This is Richardson's swimming pool, which obviously we can't film in there. And this is where the double-decker open-top tourist buses come in. They come in, they drop people off, sweep in here and sweep out again. But, and then head up back up that way towards Scrapby, Yarmouth. Well, it's now in the evening, and me and Mrs M, after trudging around Hemsby all day long, are now going out to watch what we think is going to be a Gary Barlow tribute act. So I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic.
Good evening. Is this thing on? Try and...
So as you can see, Richardson's quite a diverse camp. You've got caravans, you've got lodges, you've got chalets. It's a real mix, but done in a very, very good way. And it's nice to see traditional holiday camps still thriving and still doing well. And as you can show you in the video, it's a lot of investment gone on. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed a little brief video of Richardson's. If you get a chance, please put a like and subscribe to the video. That'd be fantastic. Anyway, till we see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Ta-da!